So hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways in which you can make money online, whether as a student or someone who already have a job and looking forward to quit his or her job in a few years to come. Trust me, these 5 ideas I'm going to share with you are really going to make you money regardless of where you come from, whether you're from Africa, Europe, Asia, America. Trust me, these 5 things will work globally, provided that you watch this video to the very end and implement every single thing you are going to learn in this video. So when it comes to making money online, there are so many ways in which you can make money online, but trust me, there are so many videos on here showing you different ways in which you can make money online. But the truth is that not everyone who come here to share videos with you have actually tested any of those things they are sharing with you. Unlike me, who shares every single thing that he personally does. Like for me here on this channel, I focus more on sharing things that I personally do. And these 5 ways I'm going to share with you, things I personally do and I'm still doing it today to make money on the internet. So if this is your first time on this channel, hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to CryptoForest Tech. On this channel, I mainly focus on how you and I can make money online through content creation and sharing with you other side hustle ideas as well. So with that already said, if this is your first time here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what if you down in the comment section. So with that already said, let's get straight into today's video. So hello guys, the first one on my list is actually becoming a freelancer. So who is a freelancer? A freelancer is someone who helps people get job done on the internet. So once they get the job, they get paid to help people get a job done. So for example, if you are a writer, like you are a good writer or a proofreader, then you can simply go onto a website like Upwork, go and help people proofread their articles before they publish it. You can help do all those things and then get paid for it. On average, most writers get paid up to $100 per every single task they handle. Or if you are not a writer or a graphic designer, still, as long as you have any skill that you know is going to be required by someone, trust me, you can go get job on freelancing platforms. So what are some freelancing platforms that you can sign up to start making money? The first on my list is actually Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the coolest places that I personally work as a graphic designer. Or you can go on Upwork, freelancer.com, and there are a lot of platforms out there that you can actually go out there and look for freelancing job. So if you are someone who wants to make money on the internet and then you don't have any money to invest, like you don't have any money to start any of the other ideas that I'm going to share with you, then one of the best things you can do for yourself is actually starting as a freelancer. So personally, before I got to all of this that I'm doing today, like content creation, trading, forex, and the rest, I started with freelancing because that's why I was able to get money to throw into my content creation career. Because if you want to start with content creation, you need to get a microphone, a good phone, or probably even a ring light like I'm using today. So without any of those things, you cannot start content creation as well. So that's why one of the easiest way to make money on the internet is by offering the services you already know you can offer. So in case you don't have any skill, you can simply go and learn either graphic design, content writing, or any of those things. And trust me, you can start making money with these ones by offering those services to people on the internet. The second one on my list is actually starting a blog. So what's a blog? A blog is simply an online journal where you publish things that you know, where you publish shareable knowledge with the public in order to make money online. So personally, back in 2019 when I started as a blogger. I was just running a normal website on blogspot.com where I made my first money before advancing my blogging career. So blogging is one of the easiest way, like for anyone at all, to make money online, because all you simply do is that, for example, you have a skill. Let me say you are a programmer or you are a graphic designer. You can simply start a blog where you mainly share information related to blogging, or where you mainly share information related to that thing you are doing. So if you're a graphic designer, you can be creating content around graphic design. In this way, you can make money by reaching out to new customers who require your service, or at the same time making money from affiliate sales. And finally, you can also make money from display ads, which pay less as compared to the rest. So one other ways in which you can make money online is by starting a blog. So to start a blog isn't really a difficult thing. I already have a video on everything you need to know about starting a blog. I'll be linking to it down in the description, and you can also check the article that I'll be listing here. I'll be linking to one of my blog posts that I've written about everything you need to know how to start a blog and how much you are going to require to start a blog. So when it comes to making money online, trust me, one of the most easiest one I can really assure you is starting a blog. Because with a blog, you work for yourself, you don't work for anyone. You can work anytime you want, anywhere you want, provided that you are convenient enough to keep it up. But one thing you need is that for you to be successful as a blogger, you need to be consistent. It's not that you publish an article today and then wait for 5 years and come and publish another one. No. You need to get your schedules right and be consistent in order to make money from blogging. So in case you want to learn about blogging, I'll be linking to a playlist called down in the video description. That playlist contains everything, single thing you need to know about how you can start your blog and start making money with it. So that already said, let's move on to the third one on my list. So the third thing on my list is actually being a video content creator. So video content creation is actually one other great way in which you can make money online on autopilot. So I call it autopilot because once you upload your videos on any platform, those videos will make you money over and over again. Like, I think some of the videos that are making me the most money today were uploaded 2-3 years ago, but still they make me some of the most money today. Why? Because I created valuable content. So when it comes to making money online, one of the easiest things I would advise you to do is video content creation. Because with video content creation, all you have to do is simply share that particular knowledge you know that the public are going to need. So for example, you see people making skits. Well, that is what they can do. You see people are creating all sorts of videos. Some creating tutorial videos where they teach normal things on your school syllabus and everything, and then they still get paid for it. So when it comes to video content creation, trust me, it's not limited to anything at all. If you are someone who likes gymming, you can be creating content around gym. If you are someone who knows about fitness or any other thing, you can create content all about that. So one thing with video content creation is that it makes you more money faster than a blog. That's the truth I'm going to tell you. Personally, I blog and I still create content here on YouTube. I have multiple YouTube channels to be precise. And I've seen that YouTube actually pays more than a blog, because with a blog, you have to be paying for hosting, to handle it and everything. However, the blogs gives you a more advanced way when you add it to your YouTube channel. So when it comes to making money online, other thing I advise you to do is actually starting a YouTube channel. So one thing that I've seen so many people complain of when I tell them to start making money through content creation is that they say they don't have money to buy an iPhone with good camera, or they don't have money to buy a Samsung phone with good camera. Well, the truth is that you don't actually need a big or any strong camera to start making money as a content creator. You can go back to 2019 or 2020 and go and watch some of my old videos. You realize that I wasn't even showing my face. It was just a mere screen recording. You can do all those ones and make money. Or on the other hand, you can even get flagship Android phones. Like, I'm personally using an Android phone to shoot all these videos you see on my channel here. There is no iPhone video on this channel. This doesn't mean that every Android phone can give you a quality video. No. But one thing I advise you to do is that don't start and be a professional immediately. Start with that one you have, and when you start growing, trust me, you get money required to get that advanced phone you want. So if you are waiting to get the latest iPhone before you start video content creation, then I'm telling you that you're actually deceiving yourself. Start now with that Android phone you are using, and then go fast. So in case you want to know the Android I'm using for this particular video, it's an LG V series. So you can go and get any of those flagship LG from V30 upwards. Trust me, they are good phones that you can actually use for content creation, and they have great camera as well. So now let's move to the fourth one on my list. So the fourth one on my list is simply buying and selling of products online. So I believe on your WhatsApp status, you see people posting clothing they sell, you see people posting gadgets that they sell. Well, that's a very profitable business that you yourself you can get into. So in case you don't know behind the scene of that business, what most of those people do is that they buy all those products cheaply from either 1866, some Chinese websites, or some online website where they can get them cheap. What they simply do is that they buy those products cheaply from those websites, and they come and sell over for their profit, because they know one thing they know is that it's difficult to get most quality products from outside directly to your country. Like, you might see things online, but you can't buy a single of them. So what they necessarily do is that they buy all those things they know that people are going to require in bulk, and then they start selling, and you yourself you can start it as well. So most of these business actually don't require huge capital for you to get started. You can simply start with maybe 10, 20, 30 of 50 pieces of whatever thing you want to sell. Once you buy them, you don't have to open a shop. You simply buy all those products, keep them inside your house, and then start promoting them on your WhatsApp or running Facebook ads in order to get more customers faster. And trust me, this business is going to make you a lot of money. I know a lot of colleagues who do this business, and they make a lot of money from doing this, because before they get started with the business, they first of all look for products that people are going to require among them. So first of all, before you start, look at your surrounding. Ask yourself, which product are these people going to buy the most? And then once you know that sort of products, you buy them from all those Chinese websites, because they are way more cheaper. Then once you get them from those websites, then you can start selling them off over here at way higher price, so that you can make your profit from it. So that's simply all about the fourth point here, is simply buying and selling products. You buy them from a cheaper website, and they come and sell in your residential country, probably at a higher price, and then you make your profit. Because after making your first profit, meaning you can go buy more of those ones, and they come and sell for more profit over again. So that's simply all about the fourth one. So now let's move to the fifth one on my list. So the fifth one on my list is actually being a crypto or forex trader. So trust me, crypto and forex trading, and like, they are the main gold mines of making money. So here's the truth about me when I started content creation. The main reason I started content creation was because I wanted to get enough money and go into into forex trading. So personally, I now do forex trading, more of content creation. That's why I see that I upload less video here like I used to do back then. So if you are looking for a great way to make money on the internet while sitting in the comfort of your home, in the comfort of your home, then I advise you get into forex and crypto trading. But here's my warning when getting into forex and crypto trading. Those two industries are highly risky. So if you know you don't have the mind to control yourself, then I advise you to avoid them. Personally, I'm a crypto and forex trader, and I have a YouTube channel where I also teach crypto and forex trading. So you can see the channel on your screen right now. You can go subscribe if you want to get started with crypto and forex trading. All the things I do on that channel is share with you every single thing you need to know to get started as a crypto or forex trader and start making profit. So personally, I trade crypto and forex, and those are the things I share on that channel. So you can go subscribe and then learn from there. So one thing about crypto and forex trading is that it requires some good amount of capital to get started with. So if you want to get started with forex and crypto trading, one thing I advise is that your first 1 to 2 years of you learning, you can use it to save money. So after those 1 to 2 years of learning and saving money, you get a decent amount of money required to start. So for example, if you budget to start with let me say a $1,000 trading account, you can simply start saving the money from your first day of learning. So you can just budget, okay, so if you need $1,000, then if you are going to spend 1 year plus learning everything about the industry and you need $1,000 to start trading, then you can simply spread that $1,000 into the whole month and then break it down to smaller chunks so that you can start saving it up to that particular day. Trust me, these are most of the traders you see to they make money. So forget all those people telling you that crypto and forex trading is a scam. Those industries aren't scam. It's just that they require capital to get started, and they are very risky if you don't spend your time learning. So if you want to get started in crypto and forex trading, you can go subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then take your time to learn and practice for at least 1 to 2 years before you start trading with a real account. So that already said, hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to smash on that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So that already said, have a nice day. Bye.